Hello everybody, welcome to the show. Bass and Bonsai, out of the house, out on the water. We're trying to beat the storm. Gonna try some top water early on, so buckle up, hang on, we could get wet.
Have fun, buckle up, have fun.
Yeah, let's go. We're gonna try to get some top water going this morning. It's already starting to sprinkle. We may have missed it by, I was hoping to get about a half hour of fishing in before this. We could have had an hour and a half, but somebody shut our alarm off.
Not it.
So here. Got Olivia with that.
We don't have an alarm.
I'm gonna get one rod out right here.
Just so you know.
And we're gonna try to catch some topwater real quick, like before we go. The plan is topwater fish, go to the truck during the hard rain, come back out and just put a regular day of fishing in. But we may have missed our whole topwater stuff. So we do have our scale, pliers, like the essentials, emergency poncho,
Becoming an emergency. Right?
and keep all your tackle buttoned up just to get some time on it. I'm going to try this color on the blade. Yeah, I shouldn't have even got this. I should have just did my original backup plan, set in a truck. We're probably gonna have to turn right back around. I'm probably gonna get one cast in and then turn right back around, go park this thing.
Well, we didn't get very far.
Well, no, we did not. That's what happened. Okay, guys, it's rain. The rain is not gonna go away, so we're going to come out and do some topwater in the rain and hopefully catch some fish. So luckily, unfortunately it looks like the rain's here for a couple hours. Luckily though, it looks like any kind of storm's actual system, broke up by watching the radar. So it should just be this rain. It should get lighter. Yeah, it is coming down harder. Oh, there's somebody out here fishing. Yeah. See their boat sticking up right over there. Felt that hit. Wasn't looking up to see it. There was a hit. Okay, maybe we need to go to poppers. There's a little peck right there. So I'm getting little pecks, but no, like, for sure. Dude, little dinks are hitting at it. Might need to switch to, there's one finally. Get over here. Get in this boat. That was after like 4 hits. So, on the board, in the rain, that hook has him. Oh, Jesus. Keep it spun around. I'm gonna have to get the pliers out on that dude. Oh, no, I'm not. All right, there we go. First fish of the day comes at 7:45. There should be one right here. Yep. I was gonna say.
Oh, you got your goodies?
Well, they're not that big in here, but should be one right there. And it's typical Poague. Little ones are on fire so far. That's a dark one. That is a black bass for sure. They're all in the black bass family. So we're going to take off the perch and go with a little bitty dude. with the feathered treble. Just to go that way. Now, if this one starts working, I'll probably give it to you. Yep, first cast. Dude, and he got smaller. So here, bring that in. I'm gonna put this on you. I think this will be the little key topwater bait right here this morning. So, got a little smaller. So I'm gonna give this to Olivia. So here's what she had. She hasn't got a hit yet on that perch, but I don't like the big fat around ones.
Rude.
She should do good. Okay. She's thrown that other one for like 20 minutes now, nothing. Let's see what she does with that one. And just to check her, I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna see if I can catch. Oh, it's still got a snap on it. That was double snapped. Just to check her though. Let's see. Just throw up here with me. See where I'm throwing? Like that. And then you just throw like basically the same cast just beside me, and then you should I don't yeah, it's just her. About 3 casts in. Oh boy, they're getting smaller though up this way. I think we need to turn around. I officially became the mayor of Dinksville now. That dude, a little bitty. Well, let's go. I think I can make myself like over this 4th of July weekend. It's this dude right here. Right? That dude should get hit. Yeah, 4th of July colors.
Like you got me on something. Halloween.
Maybe the first cast. Maybe I love this bait. You guys can see that. I saw that wood there and I'm like, okay, give me a minute. First cast. They're funny. Thing's kind of lost some of its. Let me try that. There we go. I swear that end was just a little kinked up, wasn't popping right, so I bent it just that little bit. But I made a good cast too. Uh-oh. Hang on, dude. Nothing's going right today. I ain't got time. I tried to help you. There you go. Stopped long enough for me to get you grabbed. Right? I got. Well, I know that, but I already got you hooked. I'm not going to hook myself with those shenanigans going on. So, well, let me turn this boat back and around. See, I don't know if that was a difference or not, but I bent that blade. Whoa, that cast was horrible. I swear it's done it again. Look, watch this. So this blade almost seems like it needs to be bent up more. So I bent it, threw it, and it definitely was plopping louder, and we got that hit. But you got one. There we go.
Finally.
Finally, it swallowed it.
After 10 hours.
Yeah.
10 hours later.
She got a fish. You can't get that and hand it over right.
Oh!
Watch her. About to get you.
It was all in my face.
She's got it down in the old gut. It's not quite like swallowed, but very back of the mouth. Well, dude, I had you unhooked, I thought. You want to kiss it? You guys kiss one. Mwah. I'll kiss your fish for you. We need some luck. Well, our new color, Canada craw, seems to have worked for now.
3 hours later.
Yeah, it's been a little while. We've been here. That's our first fish. Took a bunch of different baits. If I was you, I would try that. But you seem to not to like the worms like that.
I just don't know if I like worms anymore.
Well, they just
It's a
get
lot
hit.
slower fishing
So
than what I like.
hopefully the rain's gone for a while anyway. So we may go back to the truck and get the stuff, or we may just go load up and go to another place. But while I got you guys right here, if you went and watched the full Poague on Father's Day video, I caught him, was catching him on a rattle trap right in through this area. So now all the rattle traps are out in the truck. I'm gonna just throw the soft plastic that I'm trying to make myself like, the boar hogs and Canada craw on a thistle head, wobble head, just to try to see if I pulled one out, but you guys missed it. You can ask Olivia.
Yes, he absolutely pulled the beast out of the water.
Between a quarter pounder and a half pounder. Should be one right there. Ah, there he is. Alright, back on a few dinks. That's definitely been the, if there is a, not necessarily size of fish, but it's all dinks, but the bait that's just gotten hit more, it seems like, is that littler one. Whopper Plopper 90. Color probably wouldn't have mattered much. The little dinks. And it looks like it's gonna rain again. One more cast and then right down that side edge. One's louder and further away. Let's try one more on this bank. Oh, you got one right there. Get him in. That'll make number 2.
Numero dos, people. Relax, Tommy. Here to help you. Not here to hurt you. Ow.
You gotta grab him, like, be firm, hold solid. Yeah, you got a weak grasp.
Fell out. Where is it?
The minute you clamp down.
Hello, buddy.
When you stick that finger in the thumb, you gotta clamp down tight. Open that mouth.
He was having a seizure.
You would know about those, huh?
I would.
All right, let's go. I guess you'd never really had one get away from you in the boat before, huh?
No.
You didn't. Clearly. There's another one. I had no idea what to do with that little thing. There's another one. Fire it up. Not bragging or nothing, but the dude with the kayak just came through this section earlier. Didn't he?
He did.
He missed you. Oh. I mean, if a topwater's getting hit, a spinnerbait just under the surface kind of thing should get hit too, I would think. Maybe I need to pick up the pace. That little dude hit it going pretty fast. Which to him may have been fast enough where he couldn't quite make it out, but slow enough he knew he could easily catch it. And so there's the first sign. You see that fish? So there's a little extra weed guard that seems to, or weed guard, bait holder that seems to work. Let's just try that little dinky dude. I'll be able to cast him out with this. I've been sitting in the bottom of the boat all morning. Just throw him out. Get him tangled up right off the bat. I am horrible about that. I don't know what I do wrong. I need to fix that. So, let's cast him out. Oh! Right there. That dude wanted him. So, what I probably should do is let that dude cool off first off. Probably should just plan on, if I come to Poague, just do like BFS only videos or something. And let him cool off again. Give him the old double dunk, sometimes a triple, quadruple dunk. Let them little dogs cool off a little bit. They come in a little too fired up sometimes, and I don't have any pliers with me. Let me get this dude unhooked. Yeah, we'll probably just go to the truck and decide what we got going on. Do we want to go full Poague or not today?
I think we go somewhere else.
Well, by the time we get there, you're the one with the limited time span. So by the time we load up, it'll be after 10. Get somewhere, it'll be 11. You gotta leave at 1:30. It'll give you a couple hours. Yeah, this little dude's gonna go in my BFS box. BFS only for that little 60. Got this gunk up. Oh, she got a fish. I heard that. That's a nice one. That is almost, that may be fish of the day. She got a chunk. I don't like fishing those worms.
I know.
They work if you just
They're
stick
so
with them.
slow.
Yeah, I know. That's what I should be probably doing. You gonna get that fish in?
Yeah, I was trying to let him wear himself out, you know. That's how the pros do it.
Yeah, I'm just messing with you. You better give it to me. He's swallowed it. She's gonna try it herself. Well, that's 3 you've caught. You only caught like 5 the last time we were here a lot longer.
He's really slow.
Yeah, he's. All right, there's her fish, and he's got it, and he's a little bleeder.
Oh,
As you see, you want to say goodbye?
Bye.
We are starting to rain again. We're just packing up, and we're going to call it a day at Poague. So thanks for watching. Get out, go bass some bonsai. Whatever you do, make sure you have fun doing it. Try to stay dry, but if you have to get wet to get out and catch some largemouth bass, just do it.
And toodaloo, motherfuckers.
See you later.